Do you ever wake up tired, no matter how much you sleep? You make your coffee, you push through the day, but inside you feel foggy, weak, or just not yourself. If that sounds familiar, your body might be missing something vital, not motivation, not rest, but a powerful nutrient that fuels every cell in your body, vitamin B12. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and this is Longevity for Moms, a channel dedicated to helping women rebuild energy, balance hormones, and create sustainable health that lasts for life. Before we dive in, I want to ask you for something small but deeply meaningful. If you find value in what we share, if you believe women deserve clear, science-based health guidance, please subscribe and help us continue this journey. Every subscription, every share helps us reach more mothers who are silently struggling with fatigue, anxiety, and burnout. Together, we can create a world where women feel educated, supported, and strong again. Now, let's talk about a silent deficiency that affects millions, yet often goes unnoticed for years. Here are 4 signs your body is deficient in vitamin B12, and what you can do to fix it naturally. If you feel tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep, this may be the first red flag. Vitamin B12 helps your body make red blood cells, the tiny oxygen couriers that keep your energy flowing. When levels drop, your cells starve for oxygen. The result? Exhaustion, pale skin, and that heavy, dragging feeling that coffee can't fix. According to Harvard Medical School, even mild B12 deficiency can lead to chronic fatigue and poor stamina. Your body simply doesn't have the fuel to perform, no matter how healthy your habits seem. Here's what helps. Add B12-rich foods like salmon, eggs, lean meat, and fortified cereals. If you're vegetarian or vegan, choose a high-quality methylcobalamin supplement, the active form your body absorbs best. And remember, pair B12 with folate, B9 for maximum energy support. They work as a team. You walk into a room and forget why you came in. You reread the same paragraph 3 times and still can't focus. It's frustrating, and sometimes even scary. Vitamin B12 protects your brain by maintaining the myelin sheath, the insulation around your nerves. Without enough of it, brain communication slows down. The result? Memory lapses, difficulty focusing, and that hazy fog that makes even simple tasks feel hard. A 2020 Neurology Journal study found that women with low B12 scored lower on memory and attention tests, even when their lab results were considered normal. How to fix it? Include foods rich in both B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, like sardines, tuna, or chia seeds. Stay hydrated. Dehydration magnifies fatigue. And if you're over 40 or have digestive issues like acid reflux or IBS, ask your doctor about B12 injections, since absorption naturally decreases with age. Have you ever felt that strange tingling in your hands or feet, or noticed they're always cold? That's your nervous system waving a quiet red flag. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health. Without it, the protective covering around your nerves, called myelin, begins to wear down. This can cause numbness, tingling, or even balance problems. According to the Mayo Clinic 2022, untreated B12 deficiency can eventually lead to permanent nerve damage. The good news? You can reverse it early with B12-rich foods and B-complex supplements. Add magnesium. It calms nerves and supports healing. And try to cut back on alcohol. It interferes with B12 absorption and slows recovery. If you've been feeling unusually anxious, irritable, or emotionally drained, it might not just be stress. B12 helps your brain produce serotonin and dopamine, the very chemicals that regulate mood and motivation. When levels fall, you may feel like your emotions are running on empty. A 2019 Journal of Psychopharmacology study found that women with low B12 levels were twice as likely to experience depression. It's not weakness, it's biology. How to rebalance? Eat foods rich in B12, B6, and folate. Eggs, tuna, beef, and nutritional yeast are all great options. Move your body daily. Exercise enhances serotonin production and improves nutrient utilization. And give yourself grace. Emotional fluctuations are often your body's way of saying, I need nourishment, not guilt. Here's the truth. Many moms are unknowingly low in B12. We skip meals, drink more coffee than water, and live in a constant state of go, go, go. Stress burns through B vitamins faster than almost any other nutrient. If you're plant-based, managing gut issues, or taking acid reflux medication, your absorption may already be low. So it's not that you're doing something wrong, your body just needs a little help to keep up. So let's recap. Fatigue, brain fog, tingling, and mood swings. They're not just random symptoms. They're your body's way of saying, I need attention. A simple blood test can reveal your B12 levels, and small daily changes, like adding the right foods or supplements, can completely transform how you feel. If this message resonated with you, I'd love for you to subscribe to Longevity for Moms. Your support helps us continue creating thoughtful, science-backed health content for women who give so much, yet often forget to care for themselves. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Thank you for being here. Remember, fatigue isn't failure, it's just feedback. And once you start listening, healing begins.